I regretted making only 4 because these chicken burgers are amazing. Kids, teenagers, and even adults love them. To start, I heated some olive oil in a pan, and then I sliced a large onion. I'm going to show you my technique for making delicious caramelized onions. You can also cut them into strips if you prefer, so you put them in your pan. Then I slice 3 large mushrooms thinly. You can also add bell pepper if you want. I saute my onions in the pan over medium-high heat, stirring regularly. And when it starts to stick to the bottom of the pan, I add a little bit of water. You will then need chicken. I took 500 grams, which I cut into small cubes. Personally, I only made 4 burgers. But with the quantities I'm giving, you can easily fill 6 burgers. I still had a bit of filling left at the end. For cooking the onions, you'll need about 20 minutes. That's the minimum for them to be perfectly caramelized. We add a bit of salt and pepper and keep sautéing them, stirring regularly. And really add the water little by little, just a few drops at a time. When you think your onions are caramelized enough, you add the slices of mushrooms. If you want to add peppers, you should put them in much earlier. Almost at the same time, continue cooking for 10 minutes after adding the mushrooms, and then remove from the heat. In the same pan, you will heat a little olive oil again and add your small pieces of chicken. And you season with whatever you want, whatever you prefer. I hesitated to add curry, but in the end, I put in salt, pepper, paprika, and parsley, a mix of garlic and roasted bell pepper. And I mix everything well. You cook your chicken for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. At the end of cooking, add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And also about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix everything well and then set it aside. Are you going to take an oven-safe dish? I used a gratin dish. It fits exactly 4 burgers, so it's perfect. I put 4 slices of cheddar on each bun. Then I add the caramelized onions and mushrooms, so I put a little bit on each of the 4 buns. Avoid putting it all over the place, otherwise your burgers will overflow. We add the well-marinated chicken. And because we love cheese so much, we add even more shredded mozzarella. We spread it all over and place the second burger bun on top. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, melt some butter, then add a chopped garlic clove and some parsley. Mix it well, and then brush it all over the surface of your burger buns. Put them in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then all that's left is to enjoy your delicious, super cheesy chicken burgers. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you soon!